The 2016 Journey. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars. Inside you'll find DVD system, Sirius Satellite Radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, power driver seat. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.